This video is about dreams. It is about things that you want to accomplish this year and you have not done anything about it. You haven't taken any steps to get there. Let's talk about that. Let's communicate on this. Let's get going. You see, deep inside, we're all dreamers. We're all dreaming of something better for ourselves. We want better experiences, a better reality for ourselves. We want that dream house. We want that dream job, a dream career, a dream income. We want that beautiful, amazing, significant other in our lives. We all want better things for ourselves. We expect better for ourselves. We want those things. We need these things. Dreaming is what enables you to make your thoughts and ideas into a reality one day. How many things do you have today that a year ago, 2 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, you didn't have? You could have something in your hands or in your life today that you didn't have 5 years ago, but you dreamed about it back then and you took the steps necessary for you to get there, for you to have that. You believed then and you made it happen. This year, you have more things that you are dreaming about, but this time around, you're not taking any actions to get there. You're holding back. You're afraid. You think you're not enough. You're telling yourself a narrative that's a lie, that's holding you back. You may be saying to yourself, I'm not good looking enough. I'm not smart enough. I don't have the tools. I don't have the support system. My family is gonna make fun of me. What are my friends gonna say? People that I know are gonna laugh at me. I have an accent. There are many things you could tell yourself that could keep you in fear and that could hold you back from achieving the things that you want to do. Because at the end of the day, it is easier to believe in a past that already happened and that might happen again because you might have tried and you might have failed before. And so you're afraid of continuing to try. And that thought, that idea is haunting you. But at the same time, your dreams won't stop. So it's a conflict that you're living. You need to start believing. You need to start feeding into the visions of your future. Stop living in the memories of the past and start making your reality about the visions of the future. This is something you must do for yourself. When you don't do this, a lot of times you end up blaming your current reality on the past, on other people. You are telling yourself over and over again that if that hadn't happened to you, you would be at a better place. If that person would have given me support, I would have done this. My parents hurt me. My friends didn't support me. I'm not rich enough. I'm not funny enough. You give yourself a lot of reasons why you are where you are. Aren't you tired? Don't you want to be at a better place? Do you want pity from people? Don't you realize that the vibration that you are creating for yourself is holding you down? And you need to elevate your vibration so that you may attract better things into your life. I am not talking about the law of attraction in a sense where if you think about it, if you dream about it, you're gonna have it. It's not gonna happen that way. That's not how it works. You must take the steps to get the things that you want. Stop thinking about the past. You might have had what you wanted or what you want right now. You might have had it in the past and you screwed it up. You pushed that person away. You could have had that job. You could have done this and that, but you messed up. Stop thinking about it. Face the future, move forward, walk forward, and get to a place that's gonna be different, but which is gonna make you happy. It's gonna fulfill you with joy. And you're gonna be able to spread it to your family and friends and everyone around you. Don't you want that? You know you want that. So start visualizing the future. And remember this, visualizing the future is gonna be a scary thing for you to do. It is much easier to think that the past is gonna occur again than to think that something new will happen for you. You will need to be a little insane in order to achieve the success that you want. You see, if you failed once, and then you failed twice, and then 3 times, and then 4 times, one day you will succeed. Because every single time that you failed, you learned something new. You became better at it. You gained new strength. You gained new muscles. You gained more knowledge, more experience. And so it is only a matter of time for you to gain what you want. I already mentioned that some people may get there a little faster than others. Please do not be discouraged. Do not give up. Just don't give up and keep on trying. Visualize the future. Feed into your future. How do you feed into your future? You read about it, you learn about it, whatever topic, whatever subject, whatever it is that you want to accomplish, become more versed about it, gain more knowledge, read books, ask people questions, relate to people who have already been there, who have already done that, or who are heading there, and go there with them. Watch YouTube videos. Do whatever you need to do to feed those ideas into your mind and to build a better narrative that's gonna help you achieve the goals that you want to accomplish. Stop feeding into negativity. Stop listening to people that bring you down, that tell you that you're never gonna get there. Even if the advice that they're giving you seems like they are doing it out of care for you, it might be something that's driving you away from what's right for you. Do not listen to everything everyone says. Some people may want to bring you down just because misery loves company, and you are happy, and what you have right now in your mind and in your heart is something that they wish they had for themselves. Instead, become a light for them and continue going in the same direction that you're going, so that one day they might follow as well. But don't expect them to follow. They may not follow, but you need to keep on going. Don't stay behind because they are staying behind. The present reality that we live in is like a river, and the river is flowing in one direction and the current is taking you there. If you do nothing about it, you're gonna end up wherever that river is going. But you, my friend, you may wanna be at a different place somewhere in life. And so what is it that you need to do? You need to start swimming in the opposite direction. Don't just go with the flow. Exercise some effort so that you may be one day at a place where you want to be, and that is not gonna be wherever the river takes you. You need to start swimming against the current, against the flow of that river, which is life. And yes, it will be tiring. You will feel exhausted. You're gonna feel like there's days when you're drowning and nobody's coming to help you. You may feel alone, asking and begging for help, but keep on trying. Keep on swimming the opposite direction. Do not give up, because one day some people will listen and will come and help you and give you a hand and help take you somewhere where you were not before. Whether somebody comes or not, you are responsible for where you are right now, and you are responsible for the actions that at this very moment you can take in order for you to start changing that reality and stop going in that flow. Stop thinking that you are not good enough. You are good enough. You deserve this. Earn it. Earn it. I made this video because this is something that I've always wanted to do. And this is a message that I'm talking about because it is a message that I want to tell myself, because it is the reality that I was trapped in, or that I've been trapped in, and I don't want to be trapped there anymore. I want to change. I want my life to become better. And I invite you to come with me on this journey. I created this channel because I want to create content that is going to help people, because while doing that, I'm going to help myself. So please, if you like this video or if you found something meaningful in it, subscribe to this channel, give me a like, share this video with your friends on Facebook or Instagram, or copy the link and send it on a text message to your friends or somebody that might need it. I will be very grateful if you could do that. Another thing, if you can do, please leave me a comment and just let me know if I need to fix my mindset in one way or another, if I'm wrong somewhere, or if you like what I said, or if you like this video in general, or if you just want to motivate me, whatever. The next video that I make might be about that comment that you leave me, about the words that you share with me. Disagree with me, please. Or if you agree, let me know as well. Let's have conversations. Let's grow together. To be honest, this is about the 5th or 6th time that I record this. And it's been all in different days. And I've erased a lot of things. I've stopped myself from releasing this, which is now public, right? I now published it, but it took so much. And even though I felt like I was taking the steps necessary to get to the place where I want to be, I was holding myself back because I was unsure of the content that I was creating. I was unsure of myself. I didn't like what I was looking at. But then I realized I just need to start walking. So even as I took a lot of steps to get here, I held myself back, and it is possible to do that. So you might have taken a lot of steps already to be where you're at and to head where you're going, but now you're stagnant. And I hope this video helps you, as I also hope that this video is just the beginning and I want to create a lot more content. Thank you for watching, and I hope you can recommend this video to somebody else. Let's see each other on the next one.